Hi, Assalamualaikum to all SKSF car wash and detailing viewer. Today we have received one job to restore and to do a coating Range Rover Sport. So as normal, we see the conditions of the car first, and then now, yeah, they want to do the he want to do the caliper restoration as well, change to the yellow color and with a rainbow sticker to do a rims coating. So we will restore the rims, and then we see the condition of the paint. We have a several defect over here to restore back the black color. Oh yeah, we see here, this is the splash of the paint, the yellow color over here, the yellow spot and yellow dot over here. This is a splash from anywhere else, I don't know. Quite interesting. So we will clear up all this defect. Yeah, this is the paint splash, and then we need to restore back. We have a swirl mark over here and then hologram as well. We see the watermark on the window because we need to coating it, we need to polish. Seems like we need to polish it and before coating it. So we see the condition overall body. This is a very challenging black color. It's a hard paint definitely. So we continue to see the door panel. Several defects also found here. Definitely black color. All defects are transparent. Then as we receive a order from the owner, we need to clean up the interior as well. So we decided to do the leather cleaning and conditioning. Quite a luxury leather setup for this Range Rover Sports. Combination of white and black leather. Roof setup was Alcantara material. Several spots are dirty. It's normal. So yeah, we will clean up. And then restore it back like a showroom conditions. Definitely. Okay, let's continue with the front hood. Very heavy duty cross section front hood. Okay guys, so let's see what the results. So we are very eager to do this job.